Back when I was a child, before life removed all the innocence, my father would lift me high and dance with my mother in bed. Spin me around till my fancy sleep. Off the stairs they would get with me, and I knew for sure I was loved. If I could get another chance, another walk, another dance with you, I'll play a song that would never ever end. How I love this is all I ever dreamed.
Boses Anghel ka talaga. Thank you. Grabe, diba? No, the song really speaks about a mother who never stopped loving the dad kahit na so many years. Kasi parang totoo yan sa buhay ng mom ko, there was only one man in her life, dad namin. So kaya every time I hear that song, nasasariwa na parang pag nasasad kaming lahat, iniisip namin she's in heaven, she's happy, she's with dad. Pero syempre, di ba, mamimiss at mamimiss mo talaga parate. Ang gusto ko lang sabihin talaga, Mom, I really hope you're proud of where all of us are right now. Yun lang talaga, every day.